go sawadika. Dito po sa ating hatchling house, makikita niyo 1 to 3 years old freshwater inside water crocodile. Ang differences po ng freshwater is saltwater crocodile. First, there is a light spot. Nakapagbuhat ng group na itim. Nakakalight lang po. While the saltwater crocodile is fat. Nakawala-wala pero kanila itim. Hindi na kayo malagay-walay. Parang pakita nila. Ayun po ang saltwater. At yung freshwater crocodile nila lumaki na 2 to 3 meters. While yung saltwater crocodile po kaya nila lumaki na 6 to 7 meters. Ang mga freshwater crocodile po kaya nila mangitlog 30 to 40 eggs a year. While yung saltwater crocodile is 40 to 80 eggs a year. Yes po, kapag po na maglumakot. Kaya po nilang tumalo. Kaya po mayroon po kasi. At different toys are on a pork, chicken, meat, and any kind of fish. Because crocodile are 100 carnivores, it is very competition.
Crocodile smart. I said, oh, it's time to nap. Why are you too loud? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8. One inside that belly.
How you know? It's very big. It's so big. Say hi.
You sleep like this, look. Look at my arms.
Baby crocodile. Hi. Salt water crocodile. Oh. That one is fresh water.
Well, listen, unok mo.
Oh, you see that one?
See that?
Quiet daw, quiet.
He's very mad. He said, it's time for my nap. Then why you bite him? Like that. I said the crocodile sleep like that. Where's that monkey?
Birds are calling me. Is that birds or monkeys? Whatever it is, they're calling me. They're going.
Ah, it's about you.
Bird right there. That can talk, I think. Huh? See that? That bird just took the shot. Ulo! Damn! It's very big!
Oh, awesome. How long did it like Yvonne wow.
Look!
That's a big sucker.
And the other one is Mars. Hi, Mars.
Never saw crocodiles.
Look. He's shy. This one's big.
Very big head. That sucker will tear you up. Wow.
Where? Oh. He's hungry. He wanna eat us. Right there, there's a crocodile down there. Woo!
Of the same size with the skeleton.
Oh, awesome.
Approximately 7 to 8 years old.
They're waiting for somebody to fall in.
Yeah.
The longest in all the skeleton.
Look, love. There's one here. Big belly.
These are big sons of. I hate to say it, but these are big sons of bitches.
When you fall over there, you cannot run right away because that is very slippery. Yeah.
And that is Kalayan. 15.9 feet, approximately 70 years old.
70 years old.
He's my age.
It's older than you.
He's my age.
Older than you. It's older than you, love.
That's my age.
They feed once a week.
Once a week. How much do you give them? Like how much? Like how many kilos?
Ilang kilo yan?
5 to 10 kilos.
5 to 10 kilos.
That's enough for one.
Yes.
Awesome.
Because they
What is it? What do you give? What chicken or what?
beef,
Beef.
fresh meat,
Oh,
chicken,
they're
and
healthy.
any kind of fish.
Oh.
They're healthy.
You know what? Maybe I should come live here. They eat good.
And the other side is salt water treatment.
And they will grow up like the size of the other one.
Yes, fresh water is not.
Whoa, that's a lot of them.
Look.
Which ones grow bigger? Salt water grow bigger.
I just guessed. The salt water are the big
Which one?
ones.
Yes.
The salt water grows bigger.
If you see crocodile that have open her mouth, not because they're hungry, they release body temperature.
Oh, very
Ah,
good.
for what?
If you see crocodile that open her mouth, not because they're hungry, they release body temperature.
Ah, okay, okay. Like the dog.
Yes.
Okay, interesting.
Oh, look, they jump up. They smell you.
No.
And this
Don't
this is probably the most aggressive crocodile,
This one?
approximately 20 to 25 years
It's
old.
most aggressive. Oh.
And the other side is Pinay, the only one female, approximately 10 to 15 years old.
Oh, she's in the shadow.
That is the maximum size of fresh water.
Has she?
Oh.
Has she laid eggs since she's been here?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
No.
She's been virgin and never touched.
Oh, really? she's a. Oh.
Never touch her.
So how long has she been here?
We don't know.
Oh, you don't know.
Captive breed, what does it mean?
Wow.
And this is the ending of
This part.
yes. This way for the nature park. In the nature park, you will see other wildlife animals like reptile house of snake, bearcat, monkey, eagle, and birded pig.
Oh,
And the exit.
we lost touch with the other group.
Yes.
Oh, no more. They left us behind.
Ah, where's the other group?
There.
She said we're no longer part of that group.
You can go to the bird.
Tinawala na.
The bird will talk and then it will call you ugly.
The holding is in the exit area.